Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. These are the colors, beautiful colors. Sky blue color, orange color, green color, yellow color, navy blue color, dark pink color, red color, light pink color. Today we will trace A to O and we will fill the paints in these shapes. So let's get started. Yellow color A. A for ant. B for bat. Pink color C. C for cartoon. C for cartoon. Blue color D. D for doctor. E.
The farmer in the dell. Hi ho, the
E for
dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
egg.
The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the
Pink
wife.
color F.
The wife takes the child.
F
The
for
wife takes the child. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
G.
The child takes the nurse. The child
G
takes
for
the nurse. Hi ho,
grapes.
the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
Blue color
The nurse
H.
takes the cow. The nurse takes
H for
the cow. Hi,
helicopter.
ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow.
Yellow color
The cow takes the dog.
I.
The cow takes
I
the
is
dog.
for
Hi,
igloo.
ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
J. J is for jelly.
The dog takes the cat.
Blue
The
color
dog takes the cat.
K.
Hi ho, the dairy-o, the
K is
dog
for
takes the cat. The
kitten.
cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the cat
L.
takes the mouse.
L is for lion. Yellow
The
color
mouse takes the cheese.
M.
The mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho,
M is
the
for
dairy-o, the mouse
mango.
takes the cheese.
Yummy
The
yummy
cheese
mango.
stands alone. The cheese stands
Pink
alone.
color
Hi ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
N is for nose. O. O is for octopus. Octopus. Now let's paint shapes. Triangle. Heart. Square. Now let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Triangle, heart, square, circle. You have to practice this every day. And like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.